Alright. How's it going on? Hello, Dmitry. How you doing? Today, we've got a Ned meme. Ned meme review, I guess. Just wanted to highlight a quarter of the shit that gets thrown to me. So let's get back to the subject, shall we? Probably alone. I'm a bit early today. It's alright with me. We're going to take our time, set everything up. I should probably find a solution for K-Develop, because whatever I'm doing is garbage. No, I'm early, friend. I'm the one that's early. I'm just setting things up real quick while everybody gets in. Hello, folks. Happy to see you here. I'll share the screen when it's important, I guess. Okay. When I saw it, I was like, how the fuck could I say no? Yeah, I'm going to refuse the friend request from the guy I just made mod. What a dumb thing to do. No, of course. Of course, you're adding to the stream. I'm happy with that. Alright. Let's get onto it. Make sure that you're on live chat if you want to see everybody's messages. As usual, YouTube can be a bitch. A little bit. Alright. How's your day today? My day? Pretty hard, but I'm still alive. Greetings, Nigma. In the middle of my day, okay, I was feeding my daughter, making her some food, like, for dinner. And I'll get to your comments right after. And I was like, holy shit, the design of my DB is OP. I was all stressed about the idea that I would have a hard time with the timing of all the shit that I'm adding to the database. But I forgot that I have the cheapest, most dumb hack available, which is because I'm using all the same key. Right? That's all the same key, that's AID. I can just pass through my big list of types, start by creating one MAST for each, and then apply the other. That's going to be so OP. Anyway, I understand myself, but like, the timing issue has been resolved a lot, okay? The timing issue, big resolved. Anyway. Let's get to something else. My day has been slanted, actually. Why is that? What's going on, Nigma? We want to hear from you. What's going on? And by the by, I have no freaking clue if we're gonna be like even a quarter as productive as 2 days ago. We may just do like one line of code. Oh, my brain is mush. But yeah, I think I have like I have an eternity and a half to yap. I have so much thing to say. I just don't know how I'm going to execute all of this shit. Well, let's get a bit into yapping, shall we? Okay, so we're trying to parse types and put them into our database. So I need to make this as simple as possible. So I think we're going to have the same... Well, no, let's not... Shut up, Maple, shut up. I need to focus, okay? My brain is always going back to DB design, DB... I need to stop, okay? I need to think about this shit, which we've mostly done, but we're going to go a bit deeper into it. After the structs and after the function, I need to focus on this. The Skype converser. What you coding? We're coding KernelInfo. It's supposed to be a Linux kernel parser where we're shoving everything into a MySQL database and trying to make cool website with it. So that's the idea. And for now, I'm kind of bashing my heads in because I'm doing things that I'm not qualified to do. I'm not a good coder. So, yeah. Why? Thank you for concerning, but I don't even know really, just one of those days that feel numb, burdening. True. I understand. We have some of those days, and yeah. Sometimes you just try to be more positive and it helps a bit. And some other day you just gotta get through it, get to the end and go to sleep, and tomorrow's going to be a better day, right? There's both those days. So let's hope that I can make it a bit better. My day has been okay. I finally picked up work on my Rust. But the star there doesn't help. Rust chess engine again. I will forever love C, by the way. Okay. That's interesting, I guess it is, Nigma. I guess it is. Like, I understand what you're saying, but that's a very Nigma way to put it. That's how I'm going to say it. That's how I'm going to say it, okay? That's a very Nigma way to say it. Rust is winning. Are you here to, like, pull the trigger 15 times and kill yourself? Are we going to have the ultimate American experience? Alright. Enough dumb comments. I need to focus a bit. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let's get on parsing, okay? So now we've parsed the if-def. That works. Let's do if and def. I think it works exactly like this shit. So we're gonna do the same. Pretty much just boop. Whoops. And let's just see the difference between the two. Are we going to argue, Rust? Is this what we do? We're going to fight over it. I had the... Okay, let's stop being dumb. C preprocessor directive list. Boom. Let's skip to the shit, okay? Yes! It's a charger! Okay. If and def checks whether the given token has been hashtag defined earlier in the file or in an included file. If not, it includes the code between it. Okay, so it's a if not... okay. If and def is if not define, go along, but it defines it at that time. Understood. Okay, makes sense. Or does it define it by itself? Whoa, whoa, whoa. And like Sun Tzu said in Art of War, if you know the enemy and know yourself, I need not fear the result of 100 battles. So if I do not want to fear a battle against Rust, I must know. Holy shit. I honestly don't get why everyone hype Rust so much. Yes, it's a new language and it's very good at doing what it was created to do, but like all languages, it's not a miracle. Yeah, I'll follow what you sent. Sounds like a better idea, it's Commander. I think that people like Rust because it kind of engages all the critiques that people have had with C. So it's just like a better C. So that's why people are love it. And it doesn't do ooh, it doesn't do gay shit, okay? Let's be homophobic for 5 seconds, okay? It doesn't do gay shit like Java or Python. Only does straight, completely heterosexual thing, okay? That's how it works. Scroll down to the preprocessor section, by the way. I like how you're driving me, okay? you're driving me to it because you know I'm a retard. I love it. Okay, Pragma. Okay. Ligma. Anyway. Ooh! Okay, there's C23. I don't look at C23. Okay. We're good. We're good. That one felt, whew. That was okay. Let's get to it. Okay, let's just take a look at some code. Just so I stop, like, asking dumb question and just see the code. Can I just see the code? What the fuck were we, doing yesterday? Include. Okay, yes, you need to define right after. Alright. Alright. If you're thinking about those individual that states C is not memory safe, then you need to know that those individual are still learning. No, it's just that before I've done streams, I've been a lot in my, well, not a lot, but some amount of time in my Discord, and everybody that is in my Discord fucking loves Rust. Okay? They are sold. They would be ready to gas their mother to still have Rust. And you know what? I ain't dealing with that shit. If you're ready for that, I ain't to your level. That's unhinged. Alright. So we've cleaned this shit. Now we're parsing it. We're going to do the same thing with the ifs. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing everywhere. Ned, if you want to laugh a little bit, go watch the first minute of the stream. You're gonna see something in the visual department, okay? I don't love Rust, by the way. I'm sorry, but you need to stop writing Rust like that, okay? Each time I see it, I'm like, is somebody talking about rape? And no. No, they're talking about Rust, okay? So, like, the level we're taking this discussion comes from, like, this, like, oh, I don't like Rust, to this. So I'm kind of confused. The C file you open mentioned Rust. Yes, it has Rusty, right? It's, Paul Rusty Russell. Why the fuck is he called like that? Who the fuck knows? Yes, Ned. Yes, you now have a meme section on the stream, okay? Dedicated to all the trash that you send. Oh, man. You're unhinged, Ned. You're unhinged. Also, I'm not against... I am not against them, I see their point. But as it goes, the harder it is to get a segfault, the harder the system will panic. I'm tame this time. Yeah, all that wording. That wording. Whew. I'm sure... It looks like I'm trying to infuse more autism in the chat. That truly looks like what I'm doing. Okay, this shit works for everything. Okay, we're going to be lazy. It just worked, trademark, okay? It just worked. Ah shit, the number needs to change. Whew. That was a close one. That was a close one. I'll fix this shit. Yes, you can always send memes. And I may put them on the screen. If you put them in the channel on the Discord, I will. This is the collector of pretty rocks. Holy shit. 1096. Why? Why is it magnificent? Because I don't like to have multiple lines, I guess. Oh, because it looks neat. Okay, I get it. Alright. Yes, Neds. That's so you, okay? Only hear rape. No, it's not wrong. I just did not read your second comment, and I wanted to know why you thought you liked it. But indeed, I hate when commands are like long as shit and they're not readable. And to me, this is very fucking obvious what it does. So it helps me, right? Okay, so let's just not do dumb things, okay? So we have 5 characters, this equals 6. Okay, so now if we have 6 characters, we go to 7. And now if we have 2 characters, we go to 3. 4, what's the logic? Find it. Okay, find it yourself. Who gives a shit? 5. There we have 5, so it's 6. Here we have 5, so it's 6. Alright, this should work. Okay, this just work, trademark. Look at this shit. Look. No. Wrong command. Boom. What the frick is this series of operation? What are you? A damn null pointer? Maybe. Who the fuck knows? Why? Why does this sprint? I killed you, bitch. Ah, Of course. Of course we need to bring in the war crime. How do we transfer? Through a fucking SSH. Ouch. Ooh! That was bad. I need to fix this shit, but in any case. Okay, what the fuck's going on the if side of thing? Okay, the end if is pretty funny, okay. Well, those don't need to be archived in that way. I need to fix those. But it's just whew, that's some strong information we got there. Okay, enough memes. What's happening with the if? Okay, what does the if look like? Let's see what we're parsing. Is this the file? Is this the file that we're parsing? Which file? Alright, security, capability, .c. Let's see. Alright, let's find an if. That's not an if def. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Okay. Okay, I got it. I'm going to add soup crackers to mac and cheese, garlic as well. What is... Oh, okay, I understand now. Soup cracker. It sounds too much. You American put way too much inside of a mac and cheese. To me, mac and cheese is this shit. Okay? Yeah, give it to me, bitch. It's some fucking KD. Can I have the box? I need... What the fuck is this? I want the real box. Like, why does it need to be complicated? And they created a whole bunch of disgusting flavors. Like... Flavors. Like, what the fuck is this? Can we just say no? Like, to me, a really good mac and cheese is some Kraft Dinner, plus you put a little bit of sausage in there. Like you're right there. But no, they needed to do cotton cheese Kraft Dinner. Like, woo. I'm sorry, I'm triggered. I just ate, I should be okay. Unit tests are for babies, agree? True! I have also noticed that you keep copying that file. Why haven't you made a simple shell script that does such for you yet? I'm assuming that I'm going to be very, very, very retarded in what I'm doing, and that making a script for something that is retarded shouldn't be done, right? You're not supposed to automate something that you shouldn't do. You're supposed to find a better way. But I'm not going to take any time for this. Okay, I'm hungry now. Blend shit, lol. Dumping some memes in the Discord right now. I need to look at these. I also need to have the right chat on. Okay, have the right chat. Good. Make real mac and cheese. Well, this is not this. Can I have the original? Give me Give me the original. Like, what the fuck is this? Can I have... Can I have a poor... Like... Ah, this is the modern shit. Like, okay, it's a little bit more on the modern side, but it's still good, okay? So this is the type of bullshit you want to eat, okay? This is the type of bullshit. Okay. I boofed the flashlight, and now I'm enlightened. Based. Hello, hello, Q-King! Woohoo! Based. Okay. Why the fuck is it pink? That's the issue. What did I just join into? My stream. Most normal Andrew comment. True! The Sky Converser. That means that you're there for a couple of streams. Greeting, my lord. I have no context. You don't need context. Thanks, everyone. He's coding something, but getting distracted. No, I'm sleepy today, and I don't want to code. Everyone like the video, or I find you. That's fair. Memple rating over mac and cheese. True. Perfect. You got it, Andrew hyphen. Okay. Legal name. Alright. I would make the script for you, but your setup makes the script too unpractical. You don't need to make a script for me. I know how to do these script like this, okay? It's easy. I just don't want to, right? No, you see, you automate your dirty and dumb requirements, then you automate the automatic destruction of said automation. No, look, the issue is I'm fully aware that KDevelop is garbage. Context won't do you any good here. True. He has an ID open, and that's distracting him from food. What? You got me there. I'm mentally fucked, okay? I'm done. Okay. We need... Does not start with exists. Okay. Oh, now I have this this dumb shit that I can do. Let's just search, okay? Let's just search. Let's Google it. Python not. Oh, I'm a retard. I could just do not. No. Oh, I won't be able to keep it in a line. That will be shit. That's not what I want. Focus, Maple. Focus! Yes. Yes, all the jokes fly over my head. Melvin, I know you are there. Who the fuck is Melvin? Also, your pronunciation of those serious of Otto was smooth. You're gonna have to explain what the fuck that was. And who the fuck is Melvin? Nigma, that's not me, okay? That's on you. No, I'm not rereading that. My brain is off, okay? Music, get the fuck in. Mozart. Melvin is someone. Okay, can I have the not? No, no. I don't want to use if. Okay. Oh, I'm using filter. I'm using filter. I'm retarded. Give me a moment. Processing, okay? If this works, I have the most brain. Why doesn't it light up? Oh, fuck it. I'm trying. Probably need some parentheses, but who cares? Whoops. Oh, it's the caps. It's the caps. Wait. Oh, we gotta transfer over. I'm so smart. Okay, you automate your dirty and dumb requirements and you automate... There's too many... There's too many automate in there, okay? Imagine being called Melvin, or even worse, Scott. Sorry, you fucking dipshit. Whew. We're doing some dumb shit in here. Melvin, the churpo the size of a house. Okay. King skull. I am Melvin. Oh, what the fuck? I look up and Melvin is there. Again, scroll up. I never said anything about Melvin. What? What the fuck is Nigma? Okay, fuck it. I'm skipping Nigma. Okay. I hate when the toilet water splashes on my toe. Just sit down. What the fuck's the problem with that? Stop pissing on your fucking toes. A Dylan. My god, I would rant for hours. I don't know. Don't think it's a good idea. But people name their people fucking retardedly, okay? I saw a Rebecca. Like this. No way. No way this is real. I can't sit down. I have no legs. Based. Methamphetamine rules. Well, I would agree with them. It fucking rules. But yeah, people are retarded. Look, the richest man in the world called one of their 1,500 kids X1 whatever. I was complimenting your pronunciation of automate, automatic, automation inside the phrase. You automate your dirty and dumb requirement. I'm not reading this again. Okay, I think I get it. Hello, Hello, Glock. There is a whole subreddit for weird name. A random... Fuck, I don't know. I think I'm fucking up something mentally. Fuck this, I'm skipping. Skipping the flag. Ugh, I know, it's Netherlands, but I didn't want to fuck it up. Wait, I need to... I need to Google something. Fuck, they're the same thing. I'm retarded. Wait. Okay, I was talking about the language. That's why my brain was frying up, okay? I had Dutch in mind. Okay. A random Netherlands programmer who mostly makes program to solve an issue while it's way faster manually. True! Do you? My quote for life. Okay. I'm going to name my kid Maple. That's actually a fucking good name. I love it. If I would have a son. Okay. I'm not, but I'm vibing it. I love Maple too much, okay? I'm going to name my kid Braille Pattern 0. Based, it's an invisible character. No, I see so much retarded names. I can't even. Like, and what's worst is when people, like, get triggered when I misgender them. Or, no, not them, but their kid. But their kid is like, name some fucking gender-neutral fucking name. And they call it baby. Instead of, like, my son or daughter. Oh. 6-7. Is Melvin a weird name? Well, like, there are some names that feels a little bit of... Like, Melvin to me sounds loser. Like, there are... Some names have some background to them, right? I don't know how I can carry this over. Like, we have a name in French. I don't know. Is it something that works in English? Maxence? Like, when you hear Maxence, that shit's a kid. Right? That's only a kid. It cannot be something else. It can only be a kid. But there are Maxence that are, like, 30 years old. What the fuck? They should die. I'm running roughshod in the chat. Yes, it's just that the they-them, like, the they-them works, Ned. It works a lot, but there... Why am I explaining this to a fucking artist? I added the fucking, but I don't hate autistic people, okay? It's just that you're the last person that should understand this. But I can be fucked sometimes. I know. But when you use the they-them, it's way less personal, okay? It looks more like a machine, okay? And whenever somebody is panicking, adding gender and some warmth into your voice and explaining them things in a specific way that is tailored to them helps them calm down. So whenever you use the they-them, you're kind of fucking over this thing, right? So to try to build that rapport, to put yourself closer to them using genders is really fucking good, okay? This is why. Anyway. Stay away from my child, Andrew. That's the best fucking quote. I'm talking to Maple in 18 years. Okay, I see why. Oh no, you've given some idea to Nigma here. Okay. Ned the Fed. Okay. They single and they plural. Stop misgendering me, ma'am. It's not my fault. I have good grammar. Anyway. Like, it's not as if they're yelling. It's just that... like, any rapport that you're trying to create, any goodwill that you've created with the person that you're talking to, you've just thrown it to the trash the second that you misgendered their kid. And I did it yesterday. It was so fucking awkward. I mess up genders so much. I'm good at it, but... anyway. When I fuck it up, it's legendary. It was... and I don't know. I don't know why I thought it was... okay. This name. Is this boy or is this girl? Letting you think about it, okay? Nah, me single. Based its commander. They them doesn't feel impersonal to me, but I get it. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, it's like just the gender is nothing, but like giving a lot of people feedback that you listen to them is very good. So the they them, whenever they're on the phone and you just don't stop with the they them, it makes them feel like you're not hearing them, like you're not there for them. Okay. I should call them metalpole.mp4. True, Enigma. Okay. To quote the president of the USA, bedroom sound. It's Commander Human. True, this is what I should have fucking done. Both. Mammal. Why do I vibe code so effectively? I'm not sure that you're coding at all, okay, Andrew? I feel like you're just having permanent delusions, and that as long as I'm... as long as you're still breathing in oxygen, you're still having these delusions. Andrew feels oh, sorry. Angel feels... Andrew feels feminine. From Ned, that would have been insane. But, okay. Angel, anyway, feels feminine to me, but there are boys with it. Yeah, but, like... It was somebody from a Spanish/Portuguese background, so I fucked it up. It was obviously a boy. But yeah, to me, angel... well, first of all, in French, angel, that's giga feminine. So, anyway. Rewriting MapleBot while I'm listening to the stream. Based. Data as default, Win11. Okay. It don't work. Okay. Hi, Cardian. We're fucking things up here, okay? I'm just yapping today. Just don't use pronouns. Hello, mortals. No, but I don't know. And in that call, I use like kid a couple of times. But kid coming from somebody else can feel, or kid or baby can feel really weird coming from somebody else. Because parents are protective, okay? So it's kinda... anyway. Hello, bundles of particle. How are you? True. Okay, let's go see some fucking memes. Okay, woo. Woo was added. Mmm. Who's that motherfucker? Melvin. I'm sure you're in. Okay. We need some memes. There's so many of them. Okay. I need to put the sound on this. Oh no. Okay. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? It's Commander. Oh my. Okay, I need Chad back on stream. Copyright strike incoming. Okay. Okay. Yes, looking at some memes. Crotch fruit. What the fuck? Okay. Is this something else? No, but this is so fucking dumb. Okay, enough. I'm not sure I get it, but anyway. Okay, so we have West and East Berlin, and then Ram. I don't know that fucking language. Okay? Deal with it. Yo, Mr. White, someone's at the door. Who is it? Swapping without using a third variable. Why? Why would one do this? Jesse, your integer overflow vulnerability is making Dennis Ritchie roll in his grave. The modern LLVM compiler pipeline has spent decades optimizing temporary variable allocation with SSA form, while your clever code is destroying both the ARM and x86 pipeline's ability to perform speculative execution. What the fuck is this? I forgot. Oh man, I do this. Why? Okay, we're in meme review territory here. Okay, we're in meme review again. Like the only thing that I can do is do a racist German voice with this, right? Ja, so eine Unter den Bordenplatten befinden sich 32 Gigabit DDR5 RAM. Nicht wahr? OpenAI Samsung. Court refuses trial by combat. A court has rejected a 60-year-old man's attempt to invoke the ancient right to trial by combat rather than to pay a 25 fine with a minor motoring offense. Based. Well, like we find this funny, but there is like literal senators in the US that like say this shit. All right. Yes, Ned, we're going to look at it. Learning CS through memes is a high tier move. Professor need to take notes. Based. Lol, English German sounds funny. I know German and it's very funny to hear. All right. 2030, the year. There is 32 gigabyte of DDR5 under the floorboard, isn't there? Oh, okay, because like he's hiding Jews or something? Like what the fuck? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Based meme, we already know. Inside every QA tester, there are 2 wolves, 1 wolf, 0 wolves, 0.5 wolves, 2,147,000,000,000 blah, blah, wolves, minus 2 wolves, beer wolves, 2 coyotes, 2 emojis, Cyrillics, drop table wolves, base, script alert, oh woo, scripts. Okay, that's funny. That's funny. I don't know. Do I want to click on this shit? It's a joke about how people used to hide Jews under the floorboard from the Nazis. Oh, finest German humor. Am I right? Okay. Not bad. I don't know if I want to delve into like Jew meme, okay? Solving your problem with the law by combat seems very efficient, as we wouldn't need to build so many prison. Wow. Why haven't I thought of that? We don't need hospitals. We just need to execute the sick. Oh shit. Oh my god. What is this? Historic photo of children listening to. All I want for Christmas. Okay. Recursion. Recursion with a proper base case. Recursion with proper base. Recursion with proper recursion. Okay, I guess. Motherfuckers be like, I'm an alpha male. Bro, tell me more about your low penetration power. True! Oh, man. That one's good. Okay. You could say that these memes are abstract. Okay. I don't want to get banned. You won't get banned. You can be a fucking Nazi. I was one in the past, okay? I'm going to laugh and tell you that it's bad. Not about the Jews. The meme itself is a reference how AI seeks for your RAM. Yes, I understand. That one was actually good. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, therapist. German C isn't real and it can't hurt you, Germans. That's kind of good. I would kill myself if I saw this inside of the kernel. Holy shit. That would be the end. Okay. Yes. Thank you, it's Commander. They're pretty good, okay? Real man test in production. Is this the submarine that got fucked? Oh, yes, it is. True. Based. All right. This is what your AI girlfriend looks like without makeup. Based. What is this? A shitty one, at least. Okay, that looks like a 2070. Okay, a whole piece of shit. Get a rock, melt rock, turn rock into powder, turn rock into a crystal, turn it back into a rock, inscribe ancient runes with powerful magic onto rock, trick rock into thinking. Or we're near. Imagine that, but for Chinese. Holy shit, I would die. That would be a goodbye to German kernel maintainer. Okay. Oh, the German C. Yeah. Okay. It's a genuine war crime. Uh oh, the one with a PS1 controller. I think that is. I'll clap that GPU. True. Okay. Oh. Okay. Pound the ESR really hard over the head with a big hammer. I need to parse that shit. Oh, that's so good.
To annihilating you. 1A! 1A! 1A!
Okay. Okay. That's kind of an insane thing. Okay, naming a ham sandwich. Okay, I guess. If God isn't real, then why does a man hand fit so perfectly around the neck of a goose? I don't know. I would never want to be that near a fucking piece of shit. Alright. POV. You do a U3 instead of U. I don't get it. Me returning my 15-pound... Okay, I think... Okay, it's a uranium joke, is that it? Anyway. Me returning my 15-pound chunk of uranium-235 after 700 million years to see that it has now been reduced to 7.5 pound. It's a Rubik's Cube meme. Fuck this. Yes, I'm all in for the abstract meme. Okay, what the fuck is this? You know that one app's loading is just a sleep 5, but you can't prove it based. Just one more collider, bro. I promise, bro. One more collider and we'll find all the particles, bro. It's just a bigger collider, bro. Please, just one more collider, and we'll figure out dark matter, bro. Bro, come on. Just give me $22 billion and we'll solve physics. I promise, bro. Bro, please. We just need to build one more collider. That's true. That's fair. All right. Can I zoom into this shit? Okay. Using int. Oh, okay, he's using emoji. Kill me. Fuck that. HDMI to soup converter. There's the HDMI to water. Which is retarded, but anyway. Nobody is in danger. You are a professor of moral philosophy. Do you tie people to the rails to save your job? I was about to say it. That's exactly what would happen. Windows update, UEFI boot partition, Linux. Drew! It's been a rough day. Whew. My makefile. My fucking makefile. Okay. He's not okay, I guess. Legendary project have 3 archetypes. Apple, Steve Jobs. Okay, the asshole. The stylish European designer, the quiet geek engineer. Yeah, I like that one. That's fair. Very far. I just took a bite of clay. Andrew, seek medical attention for fuck's sake. Suboptimal. Okay, because it's like burning? What the fuck? Oh my god. Curly fries. Activate Windows based. Please do not open with knife. And there's... Can I just yell about this? Why does every box that say, please do not open with knife, they're like the safest box to open with a knife. But then you got the box that's thin and that has like some scratchable plastic behind it. No fucking marker. Heat is a waste product of the universe. Programming sucks. Because we cannot control direct heat like electricity. Fair, fair, fair. My van gets stolen. Where did my van go? Okay, fuck me. What the Just the image is funny, but I don't even know what that means. Chlorine taking sodium's only valence electron. I'm so sleepy. Holy shit. Meanwhile, in Toblerone is okay, make me laugh, bitch. Low IQ trait. Okay, I'm not clicking. I'm not clicking. I know. I know the meme. It's not a video. Look at this shit. Okay. This soup is bland. It has no texture. Fair. Oh my god. Oh my god. The hatred. Okay. You're late again. What happened this time? Sir, you won't believe. No fucking way. Oh my god. Drew! Oh, you don't see it when I zoom. Okay, okay. The fucking demon core. Holy shit. The application, the game for all the family. Excuse me, sir. Got a minute to hear about the free and open source operating system? Engineer flowchart. Does it move? Yes, no. Should it? Yes, no. Okay, that's fair. Wii U versus Switch 2 sales. 0. Well, I mean, anyway. Very fair, very fair. Okay, some humor, okay? I can make it work in just 3 lines of code. Python programmer. Okay, okay. Bro. Reject false dichotomy. Embrace the third position. First of all, that's a fucking giga fascist dog whistle. But apart from that, no. Bro, what's that quality? Nothing works well. Nothing works how you want it. Nothing works. Fair. Epstein value and Epstein vector. An Epstein value is redacted. The redacted. The Epstein vector is redacted. Redacted the redacted. True. Jimmy about to stare into the star. What the fuck? Asking for help online. Comment on your post. Having the same problem. True. Okay. American when the trees start speaking Vietnamese. German when the snow starts speaking Russian. Programmers when the text code stops changing colors. Yes, that's me. Okay, that's absolutely me. Okay, okay, we're going into a new level of meme. Zesty 61. Okay, say Scooby-Doo out loud, but replace the oo sound with e. Skibidi. Okay. Skibidi toilet. Anyway. How to become a femboy. Install guide Arch Linux. Based. Yes, scissors. Slice through my paper like a pro. You're absolutely dominating this game. Score U6, 0 me. Round 7, I choose rock. Your move. Paper. Bro, what the fuck is this? The Pyramid of Intellect. High school diploma, that's me. Associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD. I use Arch, by the way. I use Arch, by the way. I'm going to sleep. Okay, fair. Love you, Q. Thank you for watching, okay? Sleep, my friend. Have a great sleep. Thank for all that you're doing. My logical thinking as a programmer. Yeah, that's true. The fuck that should work, that's me. That's very me. Breaking news. Parrot learned to say, let's add AI to it and get promoted to senior product director at Microsoft. That's true. That's true. Do we look what the fuck is happening inside of everything else? Holy shit. That's some fun. Okay, wrong channel. Who join? Who's the retard? Whose name started by R? Rust. Anyway. Wait, I'm in the wrong place. Okay. Okay. I've got some messages. I want to make sure that they're not like fucking war crime. Is this too spicy? No, it's good enough. I'll share. It's good enough. Can I full screen this shit so... What the fuck is this? Hello world debug binary. C Rust. I guess that's true. Alright. Enough cooming. Okay. Not me. Alright. What the fuck are we even doing today? Oh, another meme. I like him. I like him. I like him. My program works perfectly. Me clean up the code. Also my program. Well, now I'm not doing it. Well, my code, okay, when I clean it, it's okay. You know why? Because I write the best fucking comments ever. Also known as delete in 3 versions. That's the based comments. Okay, are we really going to do nothing today? Is this the thing? Yep, that's the thing. I'm not even going to fix this. Where is the Yeah, we're fucked. This doesn't even work. Bro, can I parentheses this shit and run it again? Alright. Okay, that should work. Focus! True. I mean, this isn't the nicest way possible, but... How come you have perfect English pronunciation and vocabs, but sometimes drop S in plural in where I know it's French fault, but still. Because, okay. Technically, when I focus on something, I can read correctly and speak correct English. It's not an issue for me to speak with all the S's and put all the right thing at the right place. I just don't have enough concentration to do it permanently, okay? Make more memes. I make the best code ever. Push it the sheet over the code. I love writing code. What the fuck? Stanislaw Rock. Stanislaw Rock. Stan, okay? That's your name now. I'm Polish, don't try. Don't worry, when I note down the Polish name, it goes out, okay? So, Stan, okay? Love you. Relatable. I think you will relate the last meme. Alright. I'm ready to relate, but right before... Holy, I did not fix it. Okay, where's the meme? Oh, there's a lot of memes. Oh, oh, we got more memes. Okay, found on the internet. Template. Type name in the season. What the fuck is this? Is this a template that does what the... Is this a template that literally does what a template is supposed to do? Like, not a template, but the coding language is... The programming language is supposed to do on its own? Like we're just reinventing the wheel? No? Yes, I do write the best code ever, okay? I do. What gives people feeling of power? Money, status, using the terminal in front of non-programmers. Oof. I don't disagree. Well, no, I don't agree, okay? I don't agree. I think that feeling that type of superiority is a fucking loser move. But anyway, me hugging my GF for the last time before I sell her for RAM. That would be if you even have a GF in the first place. You fucking commander. Life. First half, second half, there is no such thing as a third half of life. Fair? Venezuela sells their own oil. The US, howdy partner. Okay. I don't know. I don't give a shit about Venezuela. They can get fucking bomb, but killing civilians, I ain't approving that. The only civilians that can be killed can be done at the hands of Canadians, okay? My son's sad attempt of getting me to love him. First of all, who's the fucking retard that bought a Zotac graphic card? Get a rope, okay? Get a fucking rope. But yes, true. Not my fault normal individual are so scared of text. No, it's just that like feeling superior because somebody doesn't understand or doesn't care about like your niche point of knowledge is kind of fucking retarded. Oh, okay. What the fuck? I don't want to work. I need more recreational programming session. And that's probably the frustrated parents. Item count capacity. Well, that's retarded, no? Wait, what the fuck? Okay. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, dick. The S. Oh, was there a plane? No. Okay. Oh, it's a bunch of known meme. Okay. Okay, binary 3. Non-binary 3. Based. Oh, that's a net classic, okay. I fucking knew it. Okay. What is it going to be? What is it going to be? Is it only fucking cat girl thingy, okay? What the fuck is going on? It's a witch! Okay, it's an apple that becomes something. Okay. Enough. Slovakia. Give up, little bro. TS is not tough. Hating the official account of an entire country is crazy. What? Oh, aiding with the official account of an entire country is crazy. Okay. We would like to sincerely apologize for our previous comments, which were made in error. The Department of Foreign Affairs takes these matters very seriously, and we can assure you that the individual responsible has faced the appropriate consequences. If you require further information, oh my god. Just let people meme. All right. Is it common where you are from in Canada for people to speak this way? Intuitively, I would have expected either some accent or no dropped S. It just gives cognitive dissonance, but I absolutely love it that as a non-native English speaker. Um, so it is my belief that Quebecois people, the French people of Canada, just speak a better, like, natural English just because of our accent, our mouth, the way that we shape things. It's just already better for English. But people that speak English from French Canada, they speak it a bit like XQC sometime, and they can force the French accent on it, so it will sound. It will sound. I don't even know how to do it. I would need to speak French for like 5 minutes in order for me to be able to do it, but yeah, there is a bad way to speak. I speak pretty good English for Quebec, even though it's easy for us to. What the fuck? It's easy for us to start speaking. Uh, okay, if my power cuts out, love you all, okay? Because right now, this shit is getting fucked, okay? Soding. Yes, Soding is I've listened to a couple of his streams. Well, not his stream, but his like it's probably like 99% of what's happened in his stream, but I've watched a couple of videos like a year ago. But yeah, he's pretty fun, but he's like worlds above my knowledge in programming, so I don't understand it. It's a copy pasta, bad apple. Alright, Ned, alright. XQC mention. Well, you are magnitude more intelligible than XQC. Yeah, because XQC doesn't change his like there's a small tweak that you need to do, and you need to not force the Quebec accent onto the English. Because if you do, you start picking like the but yeah, it's anyway. I cannot even do it. I speak English too often. Like my job is speaking 75% English. Soding React clip, React stream. Oof. I'm too retarded to understand anything he says. Jam, a man of fortune, and Jay must seek my fortune. What the fuck? Oh, my day? I've been rammed at the job. I've had a shit day. But apart from that, I'm here now, so I'm happy. Forgot to ask. No, I think you asked, and I think I've started off the stream with that, but maybe there was nobody in here. But no, call center work is shit. But I mean, it's fun to be here. It's very fun to be here. Let's get a bit more memes. Game dev after 17 weeks of working on their custom game engine. That's true. What a fucking waste of time. Like, there's something that are reinventing the wheel. This is one of them. I could do the most collateral damage ever by saying, like, creating your own kernel is a fucking waste of time, and like half of my Discord gets taken out. Bro. Automated then. The call center? Okay, Maple doesn't get the XQC reference. There was a reference. Jam, a man of fortune, and Jay must seek my fortune. Is this something he said and he said it in the XQC way? Like, man, I don't know. I don't know how to speak bad English. Fuck. Faut que je parle français. Faut que je parle français. Jam, a man of okay. Jam, a man of fortune, and J must seek my fortune. Avadi, avadi, 1994. Like that? Did he say that? Is that the thing, Rust? Do you work between Christmas and New Year? Yes, and I work on those days as well. More money. Come on, just another script, bro. Just another line. It's a waste of time if your family is a piece of crap. Yeah. My family is indeed a piece of crap. What's the point? Well, for instance, Jonathan blow his... Okay, Well, for instance, Jonathan Blow riding his own engine is somewhat justified because it's a POC, person of color, for his new programming language. Proof of concept. Okay, my brain is full on politics. Generally, if someone asks if I'm doing something, i.g. implementing PSO algorithm using AVX 512, I answer because I'm stupid enough. That's probably the fairest thing to say whenever you get deep enough into coding. You're doing something because you're the only retard that will, like, do it. I can and want to create my own kernel. The only thing holding me back is time. Sorry, je ne parle pas français. Or however it goes. Okay. So I'm creating my own engine instead. So okay. Professional dumbass. More meme, okay? Linux user when their house is on fire and the only way out is through the window. True. Job requirements. The job interview. Invert a binary tree on this whiteboard. The job. Make the button bigger. Based. Oh, the new Uzu map. Oh, we're getting this shit strike. Gotta love Epstein, okay? Based. CS major using Jisktra algorithm to find the shortest path to the homeless shelter. Bro. Why is this so funny? Oh, man. They should have replaced the correct sound with the shotgun sound. In what? In the Ozu map? I don't get it. The entire Star Wars A New Hope movie, low quality, I don't think it will be copy struck. Oh, that's pretty good. Ned, you need to post your the video that you the kernel vid that you compressed. It's so dumb. Okay, yo, why they were in the same dress? Well, I don't know. Two great men, am I right? Family and friends, cats. Fair. Very fair. Hello, Discord UI developers. In this saw trap, there is a wheel in front of you. Your challenge is to leave the room without reinventing it. Do not reinvent. It worked fine. It's a perfectly good wheel. The door is unlocked. Based. Select all screen with Epstein files. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, let's read some memes. Well, let's stop some memes. Okay, let's read a little bit. All right. Can someone explain to me why people find all of the Epstein meme so funny? It feels like there is no punchline whatsoever. It's the mere reference enough to pass as funny. To me, it is funny because of how ridiculous this situation is, but it's probably like too political to interest a lot of you. But like the Trump administration just fucking shot themselves in the neck and oh wow, that was a nice one. I didn't even think about it, but they shot themselves in the neck with this one, and it's just funny seeing people like rehash the shit out of it when there's literally nothing about it. Right? We're just talking about a pedophile that did pedophile stuff, and that turns out to be rich, and that turns out to be friend with all the other rich people. So he has pictures with all the other rich people. There's nothing more to it. Nobody like went and fucked some kids with him, and the only person that might have fucked some kids with him would have been Trump, because somehow the fucking victims are like saying that they don't like the guy. So it makes me laugh, okay? I fucking hate the guy. No more words required. I guess it's natural for humans to try to make some fun out of the most horrible thing to overweigh the shitty part. I don't know. The same reason why some individual laugh when in pain. Well, normally if I'm to laugh when in pain is because the people around me really fucking needs to chill. Anyway, what the fuck is this? Tie me up and do whatever you want. Algebraic Geometry 1 scheme. That's pretty fair. I would do that. Looking through the Epstein file, found pics of his network setup. Can we go back to the Hillary Clinton, my queen, okay? Can we? I'm sure it's still. Wait a second. Wait a second. I'm sure it still is. Sure it still is. Wait a second. I'm bringing up a meme. Oh, they don't. Okay, sorry for the flashbang. Okay, but BleachBit, if you know what it is, before on their download page, they used to say like trusted by the best, and it was like Hillary Clinton because of the BleachBit thing. Anyway, that's a sad one. Yes, I like the squares. Okay, I like the squares. Okay. Okay, so it's probably also the same reason why I like a Trump meme as a Ukrainian. Boy, Ukraine fucking loves my stream. Gotta love my Ukrainian brothers. But yeah. Yeah, I fucking hate Trump, bro. Anything that hurts that guy, I'm in, okay? I'm in. Maple really likes black squares, so eat black squares. Nobody said that there's going to be a screamer. I'm not the first Ukrainian here. My friend, we have... he's probably not in there anymore. We have Dmitry that's there every fucking day. Thank you, my Chad. Okay, if you're in here, I love you. And we've got Volt also. So, yeah. Are you near the front line? I hope that you're safe, my friend. You didn't choose to be born in position XYZ. Eh. I mean, I don't think that people think like that anyway. The only thing that Okay. I love Hillary Clinton so much, okay? Why couldn't we have... Can we go back in 2016, have Hillary Clinton transform Russia into a parking? Syria too, okay? Both of them into flat... The flattest, okay? All parking. Oh! Oh, give me the parking, okay? We need the... This is so wrong. We need the Ukrainian, okay? Ukrainian living space, okay? Straight into Russia. Anyway. Some, Anyway. No. Enough joke. Black square to black square. Black square? Question mark. I fled to Germany. I am now studying CS at uni. But I appreciate you asking. Oh. I'm happy that you're safe though, but I understand it's sad. If ever you're trying to choose a permanent country of residence, choose Canada, okay? We love Ukrainians. But yeah, I would absolutely be all in for us to... Let's put some fucking music. No, I don't need music. We're looking at memes. Yeah, I would like to fucking nuke Putin into oblivion. I'm so triggered. I'm so triggered. I could like rant for hours about how much of a fucking blunder all of this was. Okay, I need memes. Low intelligence specimen. Yes, it's a one that you can click on, and the cat is kind of funny. I wonder what sign that was. What the fuck? I wonder what happened that made this sign necessary. That's fair. Black. When Linus Torvalds said black, utter garbage. True. 9 front system. I don't like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, BSD. Come on. Come to 9 front. I don't even know what the fuck it is. What is 9 front? Okay. That starts strong. When we consider the declining build quality of modern ThinkPad, why is there so many gay things in here? Okay, is this because it's fucked or is it because it's fucked? Only 9 fans. Okay. Okay. Okay, enough. Enough gay shit. Hey guys. Furry trans fan. Not what I'm called. What? What the fuck? What is this? My brain. Okay. Trump and Shapiro are going to become insult. I would like for us to always remember, like, Trump, being a Trump-tard should be, being a MAGA supporter should be an insult. That's so good, I need this.
Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about the Linux kernel 6.17, crazy file system optimization, supercomputer debugging, and even, I know you love it, a little bit of drama.
I'm so cheesy. You are Canadian and you say enough with gay shit. Yes, okay. I think my country is the most gay-loving, LGBT-sucking country in the world. And I fucking love it, okay? I will bomb every single fucking piece of shit country until only Greater Canada remains. I think a lot about the eventuality of moving to an English-speaking country. My current knowledge of Canada is number one, it has a big Ukrainian diaspora. True. Robin from How I Met Your Mother. I don't know that. Cold French. Well, you can choose where you go, right? You can go to Toronto, Vancouver, all the big city that speaks English, right? Or Montreal. Montreal speaks mostly English too. But yeah, like we love Ukraine. We've had a lot of people from there. So yeah. Like you're all great people. What the fuck am I supposed to say? You're all great, okay? All of I haven't seen a Ukrainian that's not cool, okay? Are creating own OS is worth it. Owl, that wording was about average for my chat, okay? But what the fuck? No, it's not worth it. Aki, ketchup chips. Ketchup chips are not really that good. There's some food that you just like suffer through, and it's just like, okay, I did it. Enough. Ketchup chips, that's that for me at least. Aki is fun. I don't play it. I don't play any sport, but watching it is fun. I've heard that a lot of Canadians are friendly. Well, I would say that we're very fucking friendly compared to a lot of assholes. But it's probably that. Well, I don't know. I think that it's just that we look like we care a bit much more. Anyway. Okay, ketchup versus mayo. I'm not really that much of a mayo guy, but I'm getting there because, well, I need to up my cooking, okay? That's the big issue, okay? I need to up my cooking. So now I'm kind of getting into all the boomer things that I should just like learn to do. So I put spices into mayo and I eat my carrots with them. So I need to make things more fancy, okay? Because right now I'm not good enough for my daughter, okay? That's anyway. Okay, we need to do the Ned thing. Gay! You happy? Okay, first of all, those are DDR2s, okay? Well, are they? That one's a, no, that's DDR3. I'm a fucking liar, okay? This one makes me this one is sus as fuck, okay? Yeah, that one is too. Okay, DDR2, DDR3. But those are all like fucking old, okay? They don't count. I did say I had an ear rape, so here probably okay, it gets louder and louder. Okay, I get it. Star Wars ear rape. Rust, when I have an atom of difference between my type and my expected type. Python, when I cast a float onto an unsigned Toyota Yaris 2023. True! Very based. Okay, that's funny. Is it true that you can cut some RAM chips in half and both half would work with half capacity? No, it is not true. Yeah, RAM is a full thing. It cannot be cut, it cannot be modified. You can, in some system, put only one RAM chip in a multi-RAM thing, but in a, like, actual RAM, you're going to fuck shit up. It won't work. Okay, worked on the Apollo missions, killed his dad, started McAfee software, Forbes presidential candidate, wanted in 3 countries, survived 50 assassination. Yeah, that guy, like, I know he's a meme, but I wonder how much is real, right? Because, first of all, he's a retard, right? Like, his whole political philosophy is fucking retarded. But, anyway. Not on the Epstein list. That's the next step, okay? That's... we getting to the trouser with this one. Okay. Void, empty. That's your art, Nigma. Okay.
I invented the long fan. I was tired of poor circulation and sleeping hot at night.
We just
Not
want
only
the
has
guy
this changed the way
to
I
fucking
sleep,
hit his
but it
head.
changed
Go
the way I
ahead, kill
live.
yourself.
This is one of the best decisions of my life.
Go! Like that. Like, we know that they're fake thingies because he would have been fucked up. 2 plus 2. 2 times 2. 2 to the 2. 2 to the what the fuck is this? 2 up, 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 up. 2 side, side, and end. Okay. I don't know what... I don't know what most of these are. I used to know what this one was, but anyway. Back to basics. Damn, grandma has a banging setup. No, they forgot the parentheses. For this one? Might as well burn some cash in this economy. Void pointer what? Oh yes, tritriation. No. Tetriation. Tetration, okay? Boom! Bring in the French on this one. All of them is equal to 4. Yeah, because it's 2. Right? I don't fucking know what the bottom 2 are, though. Since 2025 is ending, send to every Discord server that was made worse by your presence alone. Base. I like the cat pictures. They make me happy. Okay. NHS, safe sexual position following a hip replacement. You know what? It's not dumb. It's not dumb. Old people fuck way more than you think. Anyway. Grandma be banyan. Okay. Look at the face and then think about yourself right now. Look at the faces. Yeah, I understand the meme. I understand. Good night. Good night, Stan. Love you. Thank you for being here. Okay. Wasn't the one with the arrow up on number file? Yeah, number file. Like, does it all. Go read Wikipedia and come back smarter. What the fuck was that? That sounds like the most aggressive way to say fucking learn it yourself, you piece of shit. That's not what he means, okay? Nigma's just like that. Senta. Dear Senna, I want 64 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 800 Hz. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Works cited. Is it like I made it the fuck up meme? Okay. When you tell somebody to go learn, maybe you don't see it, but to anybody, it is like go learn about it yourself, you fucking retard. Like this is how you come about, okay? At least to me. Did you read his message? Yeah? Nigma. It's even worse. Okay? Anyway. Well, it's a Linux theme channel. What else should I have expected? I'm not offended. I know you're not offended. I'm just when I it's just that I lash back at Nigma because when I see I know that if I let this go, we will all speak like that, okay? And I'm the only motherfucker that needs to act like that, okay? I'm the streamer, that's my job. Trade offer, you receive mail. I don't know who the fuck this guy is, but this sounds fair. Online game, $60. Term of service, you will not say kill yourself, kill yourself. I agree, kill yourself, kill yourself. You are banned for reason saying kill yourself. Well, let's be honest. It's not kill yourself, it's the N-word. And yeah, this is just part of an internet culture. It needs to be fixed. You don't Nigma, when I fight, when I lash back against what you say, you don't have to be sorry, because everybody that looks at this situation says to themselves, okay, the guy got fucked. So they're okay with it. Anyway, when people write delusional stuff, they probably source it from a crack pipe image. True, I'm going to become my darker side now. You can, but you're going to get fucked a bit. Grocery clerk, part-time day at Dominion. Your degree in computer science could be an asset in this grocery clerk role. Dominion values diverse skill set and offers comprehensive training for this position. If you're looking at a part-time opportunity to engage with the community, feel free to apply now and review the job description to learn more. Fuck yeah, indeed. I would love that email. The one that shall not be named, the N-word. Okay. The trade offer guy is the Unabomber. Oh, okay. You receive mail. Oh, it's so good. Is it normal for a 10-year-old to need a proxy chain to play Roblox? Or is my son lying to me? I really need to check because I'm not technical and my husband think that this is just boys being boys. Our son, we'll call him Leo, 10 male, has always been very focused. We limit his screen time to 1 hour a day. God damn, that's... Okay, that's kind of intense. But we made an exception for educational coding. He told us that he was learning a language called Rust because it's used in Minecraft. What? We thought it was great. He asked for a specific laptop, a weird old ThinkPad, not a MacBook, because he said the keyboard was better for his finger placement. We aren't sure why a 10-year-old is worried about a finger placement at his age, but we bought it to encourage his hobby. For the last 6 months, he has been spending hours in the basement optimizing his servers. I thought he meant Minecraft servers, but he has three old desktop had salvaged from my husband's office, hooked up to a tangled wire and a fan that he took from the garage. Yesterday, the police didn't come, but a very angry man from the city utility company did. Apparently, our house has been cause of... Okay, that's retarded. It's a big joke. Anyway. The what, Maple? The N-word. Apology rejected. I won't succumb to family-friendly policies. So please do keep telling me to educate myself. I'm going to follow Maple's advice and start an actual aggressive wording that a red ed uses. Okay. Okay. This is done. He's fully charged. What if we use 0% of our brain? What is the biggest planet on Earth? What? What? Oh my god. Oh. I didn't understand what the fuck the question was. Okay, I get it. Nigma going Ligma. Like using their powerful phrase, you're racist. Oh, I'm racist. The second one is, you're gay. I'm giga gay, okay? AI destroying society. Me using it to generate pics of myself wearing cool armor. Okay, enough dumb shit. Attack only works in the Twitter realms. You're a zero brain cell vibe coder. I'm doing it right. True, you are. Remember that time some dude said racist? Yes, it was Andrew. Andrew just dropped in. You're racist. Like, okay, what? Yeah. Oh, okay. You're trying to make me say again the what race are you? I want to call you a racial slur. That one was good. Okay. Oh, I'm laughing, but this is not funny. All of those people are so fucked. Please choose from the two contemporary design style for your Wi-Fi hardware. Rounded soft box with white light and satanic death cult blood sacrifice altar. That's so true. Touch grass too. Also, when I am angry, I will notice in my words. I choose wording in my phrase sincerely. I know you do. I know, Nigma. I know that you are precise in your wording. I also know that you have no awareness of what is how the person will socially receive whatever the fuck you write. And it's just funny to me, okay? So you shouldn't even assume, lol. It's not me. It's not me. It's everybody else, okay? I'm there every day with you, okay? I know what the fuck you are. The other people don't, okay? I do not vibe code, nor do I learn to code for real. If I need to write a program, I copy off Stack Overflow, and if that doesn't work, I give up. That's true. No thanks, I use AI. Alright. Who the fuck is joining? Okay. Ooh, we've got a boy. Maple, if you care so much about that, you will only be met with disappointment. There will always be one that's just angry. So that's why I don't really mind about that. Nigma, again, we don't understand each other, okay? I want people to be able to communicate whatever they communicate clearly. And when you say something like, okay, what you think you okay. What you think you said, okay? Oh, you can look it up on Wikipedia. What you really said, you fucking retard. I'm just trying to give you the message, okay? That's all. And by addressing it, I make anybody who might read your message and be like, ooh, I'm a retard, not feel like a retard. So I'm not doing it for you, Enigma, even though I'm explaining it to you in hopes that one day you understand these concepts, which are impossible for you to understand, and it's okay, I'm doing it for the other people. Alright, okay? It's been a fun night, but it's been 2 hours. Alright, but I'm not saying that, and I probably will never say that. Fuck my life. Are you aiming to find a job where you can apply your superior Linux knowledge from what you describe about the support job? I assume it's not that deep. It's not a support job, my friend. I'm in a call center and I do insurance claims for travel insurance. Yeah. That. I'm not able to code, okay? So, yeah. When do we go back to actual coding, and when do we start using a real ID like Notepad++ or Nano? Good bait, good bait, good bait. But yeah, coding is tomorrow. Well, look, tomorrow I have something. I'm 99% sure, 99, okay, that I'll be there tomorrow, okay? So I'll still make a little notification thing, okay? But if I'm not there, you know that I'm happy, okay? Just know that I'm happy if I'm not there. I'm not dead, I'm happy. But I'll 99% of chance I'll be there, okay? But every day, we're not stopping, okay? We're having fun. We've made a lot of progress today. Rust, you're absolutely right. We've made so much progress. What have we done today? We have attempted this that does not work. And let's just make it clear, right? This doesn't fucking work. And let's just, yeah, that's about it, right? That's some good writing right there, okay? So let's make it clear that this needs to be fixed. But yeah, if someone is being dumb, I call them idiot. When they're arming someone with being an idiot, then I call them a fucking idiot. Well, that's a little bit of what I'm doing with you, but in the social realm. That sucks. Well, it's a job like any other, right? It allows me to stay home with my daughter. Yeah, that's pretty much what there is to it, right? So, I mean, life is life, right? We each have our capacity, and you seem to be the kind of guy who's able to make code. At least I hope, from the fact that you're studying in it. But yeah, so to everybody, their capacity, my capacity is to be able to speak for fucking hours and to, I don't know, state some bullshit. That's. Has the job market been tough to you, or is there a different reason? Well, no, I was just, oh boy, there's a whole backstory there. But I'll just read Rust for 5 seconds. So, one dev, one day, one line of code. Nice. True! Okay. So the TLDR is 2 years ago, before my daughter was born, I was fucked because I was without a job for like a little bit less than a year, 9 months, okay? So I was big time in debt and I needed a job. So I got this fucking job where I'm getting calls from the insurance and it's all super good because I'm at home and I can take care of my daughter. Since then, I've got a fucking divorce and I still have the house. I still have my daughter. So I'm winning, okay? So when you think about me, you need to think about the guy who his job is pure pain and he's okay with it because at least everything else is still fucking fine. So, yeah. And I'm probably not going to risk anything to seek another job. I'm good where I'm at. I don't have any certification, so I wouldn't be able to be employed anywhere. I don't know how to code, as proven by these streams. And, well, my only capacity is to make YouTube videos, and I don't have enough mental stamina to be able to focus on something and to be entertaining, and I don't have enough. I'm not like Brody, okay? I'm not the guy that can just fucking lie on the spot and make some trash videos, okay? That's not me, okay? It just kills my soul when I do that. Job is a job, and I don't have one, so I must censor the word. Based. I can come back another day and ask for a full story if that's better. Well, if you want more detail in the future, you can always ask. I'm always open to speak about everything. I've decided that privacy doesn't exist and that I don't give a shit anymore because, I mean, my life's going well. It's still going to go well. I have some money now, and I mean, I'm not a rich guy, but I'm fucking safe, okay? Me and my daughter are safe, so I'm happy. Also, I almost forgot to ask, what source did you use to learn Python? In a summary, the way that I learn, this is my technique that I've always done for everything that I learn and try to get better at, is you try to do a big project, you do it again, and again, until you have no roadblock where your project feels like you're just patching a patch to patch a patch, and then you end up understanding something. So there's a reason why I redid this shit like 15 times, is because this is my technique. This is how I do things. This is how I learn. Redo the same thing 15 times. There is no source for Python. I just Google. NAI. Damn, tragic life story. I hope your situation stays as good as it is now. Well, it's not a tragic life story, my friend. Those things in life happen, and when they happen to you, they seem like the worst thing in the world, and you think that you're like going to die in a ditch. But you know what? You get through it, okay? You just fucking get through it. And whenever you look back, you're like, you know what? I was fucked, but now I'm fucking golden, okay? And that's how I feel right now. So, yeah. Well, I truly believe your channel has a lot of potential. Yeah, I have an awesome channel. #1 place for news on the Linux kernel. Yep, I would say that. The kernel videos are, well, they were better before, but I'll try to make a good one. I guess we will research on stream, so it will need to be good, because if it's not, you're going to trash me about it. So yeah. Your perspective on life is very admirable. Well, I'm lucky to be Canadian, to be honest. That's a big thing. I don't really get individual worries about being perfect. Well, it's something that can easily be done. Maybe you don't have it. I do have it. Right? Because I can look at a lot of places in my life where things could be better, where I could maybe be a better father, I could maybe make more money. Like, this is a constant stress, right? This is a pressure that always exists. But, like, you have to chill the fuck down and just forget about it. Well, forget about it is not the right way to say it, but, like, anyway, you need to think about where your stress come from and how fucking ridiculous it is that you're stressed about such retarded things, and how good you have it and how good you do things. And when I say that I'm lucky that I'm Canadian, is because in Canada, when you have a kid, you get a fuckload of money from the government, okay? So, you know what, Justin Trudeau, you bailed me the fuck out, okay? Whatever policies he passed, this guy, he's based. So, yeah, that's the thing. I'm lucky to be in this country. That's a simple summary of why I'm like this. I don't get angry for mild stuff, and I'll let them be angry and mind my own business. I consider what everyone says, comment, criticize, but if someone is being straight rude, it won't affect me. That's because you have a social superpower and social giga malice. I don't know how to say it otherwise. Big negative. So, like, again, I'm assuming that you're diagnosed autistic. Like, when you are autistic, you don't perceive a lot of things that happen socially. So there is a lot of charge that you don't have. There's a lot of weight that doesn't fall on your shoulders. And it's okay, right? It's not a bad thing. It doesn't make you a lesser human. It also makes some social thing harder, because whenever I say things like, hey, the phrase that you're using here is very insulting to the average person, you don't see it and it doesn't make sense to you. And that's okay, right? That's okay. I've got people in my life that are autistic and I love them. It's just that when you don't know these things, you can be a better person by knowing these things, right? So that's also a thing. But you are lucky because you don't feel this, right? When somebody says something and it attacks most people at their core, you don't feel the attack. It doesn't affect you. But most people, me included, don't have this ability, right? It's hard for, well, normally people cannot be trashed continuously and just live with it, right? That's a human thing. Well, not a human thing. It is a social human thing. So, yeah. I am like I am because I don't have morals. Hyperbole based. Unspoken social rules are difficult, man. Well, they're even worse in our neck of the woods, right? Because we're all nerds. We're all people that are probably not that social. Like, I'm lucky because I've always been over fucking socialized. All my job have been with speaking to people after people. So I know my way around speaking and trying to gain trust. I'm a giga salesman. I'm good at this. But like, I understand how most people that would have the exact same path in life as me, but without the socializing, would be absolutely fucked. Right? If all of your days that you weren't at school, you just, well, were inside playing some games or programming, might be hard for the social life. I don't exactly know how to explain it. I just don't mind. Yeah, and that's normal. That's okay. I consider, but I don't mind. Absolutely. Like if someone swears or call me names or whatever. Absolutely. But I suppose, like everything, it's a double-edged sword. It is. But yeah, it's a weird thing. But when you you say that you think about everything as a factory, or, well, yeah, as a factory, or your program as a factory. Think about humans as a factory, okay? You don't put in insults, okay? When you have the input of insults or negative comments, it doesn't affect you. Most human, it does. It goes into the input and it fucks the gear. So that's the thing, right? And that's why it's a superpower, right? But it's a double-edged sword. So you need to know where your lacking parts are so that you can optimize, so that you can be the better person. Enough yapping for today, enough life, okay? Life is fucking good, okay? Put money on the side, invest, not in fucking Bitcoin or some dumb crypto shit, okay? Put it into the Canadian economy, okay? Some fiscal nationalism, okay? So invest your money in the TSX, okay? This is where it goes. And like I said, 99% chance I'm there tomorrow. If I'm not, I'm there the day after for sure, okay? So, love you all. And I'll read the last comment from you. No, not LMG, fuck. Not Linus. Oh fuck, I need to watch it. I cannot skip. Give me, this is a funny meme. A white coder going home, just being. Okay, enough. Okay. I am aware of that, and that's why I try to follow the rules and respect their opinions. But if I don't know those lines, then I will, of course, fall. Yep. And if they're being rude, I just move on and troll them. See you. Anyway, good night. Okay, now for real, for real. Good night. Love you all. Thank you for being there. We're seeing each other later. Bye-bye.